Adi Ideology, a technology service provider, offers Mobile Force Guard Tour, a patrolling system. Just engaging a security guard makes you safer? Engaging of security guards is not a new trend, but during the past few years, the crime rate has gone up, and therefore, every hotel, hospital, mall, multiplex, offices, and residential societies have hired security guards for securing their establishments. Why security guard? To sleep soundly, you need peace of mind. You need to know that what you value most, your office, your home, your family, other buildings, your business, your friends, your factory are safe and secure. Look, who you hired for your sound sleep are sleeping soundly. Security Guard Services. Security Guard services are integral to the security and protection of a wide range of locations, including airports, residential housing communities, school and business campuses, hospitals, shopping malls, grounds, and office buildings, to name just a few. While on patrol, security officers are constantly observing the environment for anything unusual that might indicate a problem, whether it's a broken window or suspicious activity in the parking lot. It is generally agreed that having security on site can help improve the odds that the unusual will be noticed before an incident occurs. Challenge. But observing is only half of the equation. Reporting the details of the patrol, whether or not any incidents or abnormalities were observed, is the other critical half. So, need of the hour now to automate guards' jobs to ensure that they are performing their guard patrol job correctly, to improve the security surveillance and keeping record of guards' security move, to get safety report of your valuables at any time, to get the alerts if any scheduled or unscheduled events occur, to maintain a system to monitor the guard's behavioral change. Monitor your security person's performance in real time with Mobile Force Guard Tour. The application. A Mobile Force Guard Tour is an electronic security guard tour monitoring and patrolling system, a technology solution to enhance the security surveillance and keeping a watch on field security person's movement and ensuring the person's performance. The solution. MFG is a performance monitoring solution which automates security person's job and provide verification that they are performing their guard patrolling job correctly. The system uses mobile handheld device enabled with GSM, GPRS and transmitting data in real time to control room server and displaying details using web-based software integrated with mobile alert reports. The system is supported by Mobile Alerts facility to provide you the updates of scheduled or unscheduled events in real time. Silent features. Duty change. Enables security guards to brief the happening of the day to the new security guard who is coming on job. Explain the visitors list, vehicles details, etc. Guard tour. The system defines the guard's tour and keep alerting to make sure for the visit the location spot on scheduled time. If not visited, send alert to control room. GPRS transmission. All data is transmitted through GSM GPRS phone networks, allowing second by second updates on a web based live patrol monitoring system. Emergency contact. The SOS button allows immediate communication with a control room just in case of emergency, tremendously improving the safety and security of your employees. Contact phone. A control room can call an employee in order to reassure them that assistance is at hand or advise them of missed or unfinished patrols. SMS exceptions. Live web system automatically flags late or missed patrols by email, SMS to supervisors and on screen via live data monitor. Highlights. Web software platform. Access to reports anytime and anywhere. Fully secure with remote automated data backups. Secure two-way voice communication. So why use an expensive and fragile mobile phone? Field users cannot make calls, although they can let supervisors know they need a call by pressing Call Me button. The monitoring station operator can call field person, drivers anytime in the same way as a mobile phone. Each unit is programmed to answer calls only from authorized numbers. No need for check calls. System acts as a check call system to verify the staff member is on site. Application attributes. Recording the incidents and observations. Real-time location data. Guard tour. Emergency calling. Auto data transfer. All events captures. Device backup. Call to emergency numbers. Call center control room connectivity. Voice, text messaging. Two-way communication. Message broadcasting. Gallery. Multi-language support. Remote actions. Duty verification. Audio recording. Video recording. Photo capture. Event logs. Benefits. Round the clock alarm alert service. Improve security administration. Lower cost of purchase for mobile devices. To ensure your guards officers keep to their schedules, clock in, clock out functionality tracks how nighttime patrolling take place. List of regular residents, visitors, hawkers and vehicles can be registered in the system. If any other than listed person appear, alert can be generated. Device can be configured from the server side and various commands can also be issued from server like take picture, record audio, record video, etc. Thank you very much.